Good morning, class third, chapter number 6, Safety and First Aid. Student, in previous lecture, we have completed the chapter number 5, Organ System. Now, student, in this lecture, we will discuss chapter number 6, Safety and First Aid. Student, in this chapter, we will discuss traffic rules and road sign, dangerous liquids, safety labels, safety gears, safety from germs and diseases, personal safety, and then we will discuss first aid. So student, let's start. So student, there are some safe situation. Tick the safe situation and cross out. Tick the safe situation and cross the unsafe situation. Okay, so student, keeping the toilet floor dry or not? Yes student, always you should keep the toilet floor dry. So you can tick this. Now student, jumping from the swing to find out who is the strongest. This is correct. Jumping from the swing to find out who is the strongest. No, this is unsafe. You can be injured. Next, rushing into the bus as soon as arrives. Yes, if there is a rush in the bus, so as soon as you arrive. No student, this is unsafe. You can get the accident. Okay, now student, wearing a helmet while driving on a motorbike. Yes student, this is safe for you. So keeping the toilet floor dry and wearing a helmet while riding on a motorbike, this is safe for you. And jumping from the swing to find out who is the strongest, and the rushing into the bus as soon it arrives, this is unsafe for you. Okay, now student, traffic rules and road sign. So student, you are very small, you are in third class, so you should always very careful when you are on the road, whether in a car or as the pedestrian. You know what is the meaning of the pedestrian, student? People who are walking. So if you walk on the road, if you are in car, so you should be careful when you are on the road. Student, it is important to remember safety rule while traveling in a bus or while on the road. Always be careful everywhere student, everywhere. On road, in school, in park, everywhere you should be careful. Okay, now student, there is some sign you can see, safety sign. You can see this. Identify the safety sign that you see on the road. Have you seen this sign on the road? What is the meaning of this? P and then cancel. P means parking, and then you can cross this. This is meaning no parking. Okay, now student, next is you can see this sign. This is a U-turn, but there is a slash also. No U-turn. Okay, next, what is the meaning of this sign, student? Yes student, this sign meaning, this safety sign meaning no entry. So first, no parking, no U-turn, and no entry. These are the some safety sign. Okay, now student, why is it important to wear a seat belt in a car or in an aeroplane, student? If you are in aeroplane or in a car, why is it important to wear a seat belt? Yes student, to avoid, yes student, accident. To avoid accident. So you should always wear a seat belt in a car or in a aeroplane. Okay, so student, you can see in cases 1 and cases 2, you have already learnt about the safety rule to be followed at home, school, playground. Okay, so let us learn a little more about safety. You can see this. So student, I think you have understand this is the safety. So in case 1 and 2, you have already learnt about in class note cases. This is the class 1 and 2. You have learnt about safety rules you should follow at home also, school also, bus also, playground. You have learned in previous classes. So let us learn a little about safety. There are some dangerous liquid. You can see some liquids should not be handled by children as they can cause the harm. So such liquid are called dangerous liquid. Okay, what are the dangerous liquid, student? Some liquids should not be handled by children. They can cause harm. So such liquids are called dangerous. So these liquid must not be touched without asking an adult. So let us try now. Classify the following liquid as soon as safe or dangerous. So milk cartoon, phenol, liquid glass cleaner, acid, juice cartoon and cola bottle. Yes student, this is safe, this is dangerous, this is also dangerous cleaner, this is also very dangerous student, this is safe for you, and cola bottle, you can drink this cola bottle, this is, but it is not safe for your body, cola. Okay, so there is a dangerous, acid can cause accident also, phenol also, okay, liquid glass cleaner also, acid also, but you can take, you can save milk cartoon, juice cartoon and cola bottle. So I think you have understand student. So we have discussed today traffic rules and road sign and the dangerous liquid. Okay, and next student we will discuss some dangerous liquid again and safety levels. Okay students, take care, bye.